Alrighty, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're working on our game here in Roblox. So I've been up to a couple of things today. I added some trailer brakes, and I just added a couple of buttons here I'm just going to test out. So the trailer brakes, the wheels are welded, and when the semi-truck connects to the trailer, it turns the welds off, and then you can pull it. But you have to push the button on the trailer to activate the brakes. For example, they're on, right? The brakes are on. So the brakes are off. I don't know if I can push this thing. Let's see here. Hold on a second here. Lower that down. I think the small trailer will roll away. Let's see here. I want that to kind of be like, oh, that'll work, yeah. Closer it is to the trailer, the better. It's welded, so the legs are going to hang down. But if we can sort of eliminate that a little bit, it'll be the less stress on the vehicle, the better. The less movement there will be in the end. And then that way, when you're pulling the trailer down the road and the truck is accelerating or doing whatever it's doing, it's going to spend less time focusing on the trailer wobbling, and that'll have more traction for the vehicle. Yeah, nice. See, it's wobbling there. We're sliding. Alright, so onto the brakes. I'll just show the brakes. So the brakes are on. We can't move this trailer. The brakes are off. There, see it's rolling. The wheels are rolling. I swear they're rolling. The wheels are rolling. So then we come up here. And now the wheels are locked. So when the truck backs up to it, it'll unlock the wheels so we can pull away. So what I was testing here was there's a couple of things going on. So we chopped down the tree. Like that. Yeah, that's right. It didn't fall over. They'll fall over. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we've got a couple of logs here. Now, one of these is for the tractor, and one of these is for the trailer. So I think the black one is for the log trailer. Yep, just like that. And this one is for the tractor, this here. So we have to be careful when we're working with that. So let's get this thing out. Oh, first off, let's get the truck in play here. Yeah, so you see the brakes turned off there. I guess the legs on these trailers, the legs should go up. Oh, let me see here. Let me see here. So on this one, the legs. What is that? Lower A, lower B. Oh, it's gonna have to be insert object. Okay, so we'll need a bool value, and we'll call this legs. All right, so then, oh, how's that going to work? Every single one of these has to have the same value in it, or else it's not going to work. Let's see. Insert object. Bool value is a true or false value. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say while true do, and we'll just have a script for it. So that button will still work, but also we're going to add a script here, which is going to work. So this script here we built for, oh, that's the brakes. That's right, that's the brakes. So let's go insert object script, and we can say while true do. I think that's how that other one went, right? Yeah, and then we tell it to wait. And we say if script dot parent dot legs dot value equals true, then else if script dot parent dot legs dot value is equal to false, then do. Okay, so now we can say script dot parent dot parent script dot parent dot legs dot lower a script dot parent dot legs dot lower b dot transparency equals 1. And then we can say dot can't collide equals false. Equals false. All right. All right, let's test that out. Oh, we'll have to add that to the truck. Still lots to do. This is only logging. Haven't even done groceries yet. Okay. So then we gotta say hit dot legs dot value equals true. Then, let's see how that works. Whoa. I wonder why that spawned so tall. There we go. Look at that. Now if we get out, we're connected. I see. Okay, so well, true do. So then what we need to do is we need to turn that value back to false. So we can just script parent trailer dot legs, yeah, equals true. There we go. So I'm working on it. There's a little more details to the trailer to add, right? Little buttons, this and that. When we're loading the trailer, because I mean I did a little bit of it in Project Alpha, but nothing in depth. So. Right, so now you can plant your trailer, lock the wheels. It won't roll away. So let's see here. There we go. Awesome. Just like that. Okay. So then we have our logs. And that function is going to have to be added to the other trailer, the flatbed trailer. And we'll do that. All right, so what I'm testing is, let's see here. All right. Let's see here. Oh, I wonder how I can get this thing in here. See if I can get it to turn around. Alright, so if you want to drop the log, you gotta press this red button here. Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. And we'll have to pick it up and adjust it. Let's see. I wonder what the timer on there, I bet it's probably like a minute or something. That's interesting. Yeah, that's weird. Is there... It's the connect script. Something's going on here. Right? Oh, that's what it is. Script.enabled false. Aha! Aha, you see. You see, we need to re-enable the script when we press this button. Or else. I thought it did re-enable it. .claw.connect .connect .claw.connect.connect. Let's see, let's try that one more time here. So it should be this part here. Guess I don't need to activate it, but when we do that, so it did re-enable the script. Okay. There we go. So it creates it. But then it doesn't have a chance to recreate to it. What's going on here? Oh. I don't know why I did that. There we go. Development continues. That's all I can say. So yeah, it's just more or less. As you can see, it's kind of the details. It's the details that matter, and sometimes it's the details that take the most time. But if you can get it right, you know, if you can get the finer details down, then it turns, I guess, you know, an ordinary game into something just a little more fun, you know, or just a little more, it just adds that element. There we go. So then if I accidentally drop it, I should be able to go down again and pick it up. Perfect. Let's see if it only made one though. Check for errors. Trailer. Which one here? Excavator, trailer. Tractor. Tank, claw. Yeah, there's just one there. Oh, that's sweet. Wrecking the place. There we go. So you kind of have to be careful when you're loading this thing. You see, because these things are collidable, they're just meant to hold it in there. So we could then drop it. Back away. And just reposition ourselves. There we go. Just delicate. It'll be easier when it's connected to the truck. It won't move as much, and then you can just position it like that. And then we've dropped it right inside the trailer. Let's see. There we go. Now nobody else can jump in there and use it, I don't think. I'm not sure. Let's see. But I'll make private servers for this game so you can play with your friends and all that good stuff, and then that way, you know. I think it makes the user experience better. You can learn the game before you play with your friends, so you can show them what's what, right? All right, so uh-oh. There we go. Now, for that log to stay in there, we need to lock it down. So that's kind of perfect, actually. It's just they'll hang from there. See, it gives you errors, but anyways, that's good. And then we can take it to the mill. That's where we'll need this truck over here. And that's the part that I haven't figured out yet, but this is perfect. There we go. It holds it in there nicely. So it should do that for every log. Let's try and do that for 2 logs here. Let's see. We can come around here. There, now the trailer's locked. And we can get rid of this. So if we chop down the same tree, that log will teleport from there back out to there. We don't want to do that. What we want to do is we want another log of a different name. There we go. You can have up to 6. A, B, C, D, E, F. Pretty simple. Each one will pay a decent amount. The tree respawns every 5 minutes. So you got lots of time to take your time. Uh-oh, what happened? There we go. If it doesn't move, just go left and right, it seems. Alright, so we will out. I mean, this is fun. Like, for Roblox, this is a lot of fun. I'm impressed. I really am impressed. I'm having, like I say, I'm having way too much fun. More fun than I probably should be as an adult. That's okay, right? That's okay. So hopefully, you know, uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. Okay. I shifted through gears there pretty fast. And it stopped for a minute. Maybe it was probably running through the scripts. That explains it, why it wasn't working there. Alright, so we'll try and get this log into the trailer. Doesn't really seem to want to go. Doesn't want to twist. Yeah, see there, I went through the gears too fast. So if we go this way. Come on. There we go. Yeah, I went through the gears too fast and now it's taking a moment. Come on. There it goes. Oh. Yeah. You got it. Just twist. Not easy. My goodness. All right, let's see if we can just. Oh man. There we go. Now let's just reposition it here. The keyboard's acting up. All right, out, down. Oh boy. There we go. We come in. There we go. In. Yeah, there we go. So it'll just take a little bit. This needs to be reworked, but I've never actually played around with it, so. Oh boy, this thing is, there it goes. You gotta play with it, the gears. See, something about the UI, it should delete every time I hop out and clone when I get back in it. So that's the next thing I gotta work on here, is that. So we're testing the logs, we were just testing the logs. So now we got that one in here. So if we click on the black, that will create a rope to this, and then you can pull the log into the trailer. There, you see it there? And then you can click on that again. Now let's see if we can pack them up. Oh, they both get packed in. Oh, that is awesome. So we can do that up to 6 times. Oof. See the camera? Oh. And away we go. Oh no! Yeah, so what's happening there is the camera, it will collide. So that's why sometimes it's better to go first person. So now what I need to do is I need to add some lights inside the cab, which turn on and light up. You know, there's still a lot of visuals that need to be taken care of. This is going to have to be reworked. There we go. I'll have to allow the light and make the glass clear. And then we're here. Just like that. Then you spawn in the loader, do the loader stuff, and away we go. Alright, so what we need to tackle now is that pesky interface. Where are we at here? Holy 38 minutes. Let's get this going. That pesky interface. From this thing here. So, I think it comes from the seat, right? There's a drive seat in here somewhere. In here. There it is. So this is we need this part here. Oh, I guess we probably don't. Could we say? Yeah, we can. Player.player GUI. Find first child. Vehicle GUI. Local, with UI, then do that? We remove or destroy? Maybe destroy. Let's try that. Because every time you get in the pilot seat, it sets the vehicle up. And that interface is part of that vehicle setup. So if you still have the old interface and then a new interface on top of that, after 3 or 4 times of hopping in and out of the machine, you're going to be all glitched and bugged. So if we can get the interface, yes, there we go. Oh, that's awesome. And now we don't mess up the machine. And then on here, when we say lock, what that does is that locks to the trailer. It enables the weld, so you can take it away or whatever, and then unlock. But when you're driving around, we still have these. Oh yeah, they need to be changed. So the code for that needs to be updated as well. So what I ended up having to do is name each trailer to deal with the brakes and to deal with the unique. Each trailer is complicated. So if you want to have a single vehicle, which in this case we do, for each trailer, then what you need is values on that one truck for each trailer. That's complicated, but when you'll get the hang of it, you know, eventually it'll all make sense. So that way when the truck connects, it makes the error, but then as you can see, there's all these trailers. Loader, excavator, flatbed, logs, which are these trailers here, which that determines the lights. You know, because I had to make an individual HSC light script for each trailer, and then basically you look for the value. If the value is on, it'll run the script. If the value isn't on, it won't run the script. And that was the only way I could handle the trailers and the brakes, and to be able to do legs and that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's, as I say, development continues. From here, the next step is just going to be rounding up these things, polishing up the code a little bit, and then working on the mill. What happens now that we're able to take the logs finally to the mill? How do we process them at the mill and give the player value? So that'll probably be the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all then. Bye for now.